This is the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Thursday, the 31st of January. I'm Michael Groff. The weather starts turning unsettled by later tonight. We'll see a chance of showers and thunderstorms come in here. And then more rain likely for the weekend. And how about the weather for next week? Does the unsettled weather continue? Let's talk about it first. The almanac from yesterday, 74 for the high, 55 was our very warm morning low. And outside right now here at 6:30 a.m., mostly clear skies in the valley, starting out at 52 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 39, humidity 62%, the winds are light and the barometer is rising. Temperatures around the area this morning, mostly in the low and middle 50s here in the urban core, 40s in the cooler pockets. The big story in the weather headlines is the record-breaking cold that continues across the Midwest and the northern plains. Check it out. These are the actual air temperatures right now. And how about this one? In Medora, Minnesota, population 101. It's there in Hubbard County. They're in the central part of the state. 47 degrees below zero. That is the actual air temperature right now. Now, there's calm wind, so there's no wind chill at this point, but still 47 below. Unbelievable. Still widespread 20 and 30 below zero temperatures. It's a heat wave in Bismarck, -6 this morning. Then when you factor in the wind, my goodness, it is still... We're still seeing wind chills in the 40 and 50 below range in some spots. All right, the upper air look across the country. You can see why that very cold trough continues. It's pulling away now across the northern Great Lakes and into the northeast. And now they're getting very heavy snows across upstate New York and western Pennsylvania, thanks to the lake effect snow machine getting cranked up there. And we see that on the watch warning map. Wind chill advisories extend from the northern plains through the Midwest, the northeast, some lake effect snows, some winter weather advisories in western New York, and freeze warnings in parts of Georgia and Florida. And of course, out here in the West, we've got some winter storm watches and warnings getting cranked up now across the Sierra as our system that's going to be affecting us later today gets in here. Severe weather outlook for today. No organized severe storms anywhere across the contiguous United States, but some thunder possible here across much of central Southern California and southwest and south central Arizona, including Phoenix, which we'll detail as well. Precipitation valid through next Thursday morning from the WPC. Amounts here in the valley somewhere between about 3/4 of an inch to as much as an inch. And your amount will vary. Heavier totals up north. And of course, in Southern California, they could be seeing between 3 and 4 inches of rain along the coast. And that's good news. So let's talk about it in more detail as we look at the models. Here we go to the GFS. This is the 06Z run valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. There's our compact little low coming across central and southern California later this afternoon. And so down at the surface today, see mostly sunny skies this morning, becoming partly sunny by this afternoon. And it'll still be a warm day, high temperatures low and middle 70s. Now by tonight, the clouds come in and a chance of showers and maybe even a thunderstorm gets in here. This is the 3-kilometer NAM at midnight tonight. And it's showing some scattered showers and isolated thunderstorms coming through at this point. In terms of heavy rain, I don't think we're going to see much of that. This is going to be a very light rain event. Precipitable water values are 6, 7 tenths of an inch, getting close to an inch across parts of southwest Arizona. But really, this system does not have a whole lot of moisture to work with. And the dynamics are only modest enough to support maybe an isolated storm. So we're not looking at big rain from this, maybe a tenth of an inch, maybe. And then after that gets out of here, tomorrow morning, we'll still have a chance of showers and mostly cloudy skies. Then we'll become partly sunny through the day and high temperatures back to around 70 or so. Saturday, here comes our next system. This one's a bit more potent, although the GFS has slowed down the timing just a little bit. So I'm actually going to call it partly cloudy to start the day on Saturday. We'll see clouds roll in through the day, maybe a slight chance of a shower by late in the afternoon. But I think here in the valley, the rain holds off for most of the day. High temperatures should get up into the upper 60s to about 70. Then this is Sunday morning, and the GFS is showing the main band of precipitation will be coming through here late Saturday night through much of at least the morning hours on Sunday. Of course, it's the Phoenix Open starting today and continuing through Sunday. And so the weather, I think for the most part, most of this rainfall looks to occur at night, but Sunday could be kind of a wet day, at least to start the day. And then we'll have a chance of showers continuing off and on, and highs are only going to be in the low to middle 60s. Then as we go to Monday, still kind of unsettled with troughing lingering around. A chance of showers will persist, partly sunny skies, highs around 60, maybe the low 60s. And Tuesday, same thing more or less. Partly cloudy skies and kind of a chance of showers around as yet another cold trough passes primarily north of Arizona, but I think it'll be close enough to where we at least have to consider the possibility of some showers. And the European has been more robust with this next trough out here toward early next week. So we'll see. Wednesday looks like we'll see decreasing clouds. We'll call it partly sunny, high temperatures, upper 50s and low 60s. And then a week from today, this is Thursday, the 7th of February, looks like a zonal flow starting to set up, and high temperatures should be getting close to average, around 70 or so. Here's Friday, the 8th, and negative height anomalies once again setting up to our north and certainly off in the Pacific with a Rex block type pattern developing. Still kind of a zonal flow, though. I'd expect periods of clouds, and we'll have to watch for maybe some disturbances coming through for maybe a small chance of a shower. But at this point, we'll keep the forecast fairly dry out here. And then this is the end of the 10-day forecast period. Saturday, the 9th of February, still looks like a zonal flow in place. Rex block over the East Pacific. So high temperatures should be held in check right around 70 or so. Checking the numbers coming off the GFS ensemble. Highs cooling off as we go toward the weekend and next week, getting just a bit below average. And overall, conditions look pretty good, albeit somewhat unsettled. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. And if you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. And of course, your comments, questions, and suggestions are always encouraged. Be safe out there and have a fantastic Thursday.